Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So today we are going to continue our discussion in my class, which is going to be physical and chemical changes. Okay, so what is physical and chemical changes? So in here I already wrote it down. So physical change basically if any kind of changes in matter that it produce no new substance. Okay. No new substance are formed. But in chemical changes, so it is some changes that occur in some matters and new substance are formed. Okay, so I'll give you some example so that you can understand it easily. What is the difference between physical changes and chemical changes? Now, for physical changes, it is any kind of changes of states of matter. Okay, so any kind of change of states. Okay, any kind of change of states of matter, it is categorized into physical changes. Okay, for example, melting. Okay, so from ice it melts into water. Okay, this is melting from solid into liquid. It is physical change. And then from liquid into, let's say, into vapor or evaporation. Okay, so that is also physical changes. What else? Freezing. Freezing also physical changes. So any kind of changes from liquid to solid, from solid to gas, or gas into liquid. Okay, so this circle or this triangle, let's say, solid, gas, liquid. Okay, so any changes from solid to gas, from gas to liquid, from liquid to solid, and so on. So these are categorized into physical changes. So now you can understand what physical changes is, and you can give more examples according to what I said to you. Now, what about the chemical changes? So here, I'll just erase it down. The chemical changes. So in here, let's say you burn pepper. Let me write it down first. Chemical changes. Okay. First one, burning pepper. Is it a chemical or a physical change? Of course it is chemical change. Why? Because when you burn a pepper, firstly, it is a piece of pepper, isn't it? And then you burn it down. What will it form? It forms some black or gray substances, right? Or we call it ashes. So in here, burning pepper, so it is turning pepper into ashes. Are they the same? Of course not. Pepper, mainly it is made up by cellulose, but ashes, it is mainly made up by carbon. Okay. What else? Decomposition. Okay, this is also chemical changes. Okay, so when you see animal dies, okay, over time it will decompose, isn't it? And then, what else? Rusting. It is also chemical changes. Okay, and the easiest one, let's say you have rotten fruit or vegetable. Okay, that is also chemical changes. Okay, or I'll give you some chemical things in here. Example, I have iron here plus sulfur. It forms iron sulfide. Okay, as you can see here, iron plus sulfur, it will transform into iron sulfide. Are they the same? Of course not, because let's say in here This is iron. This is sulfur. They combine to each other to form a new substance, as you can see here. Okay, so there is iron, there is sulfur, they combine to each other to form here iron sulfide. Okay, you understood now? So that is basically the difference between chemical changes and physical changes. And then now please look at your environment. Try to figure out more examples about the physical changes and chemical changes. So now I'll just stop it here, and then please take a look at your surroundings and find out some more examples regarding to the physical changes and chemical changes. Okay, so that's it from me. Thanks a lot for your attention and have a good day.